In the previous video, we got two clean geotips from Gular's engine, median NDVI and median LST in Celsius. Let's now create the exact same scatter plot inside ArcGIS. Using the tool create Fishnet, I'm going to create my sample points, which is going to be a 50 by 50 matrix over my study area. As you can see, we now have our sample points in a matrix over our study area. Now, since I have the city boundary, I'm going to use the clip tool to only keep the points that are inside of our area of interest. Then I'm going to run the tool extract multi-values to points, which pulls the NDVI value and the LST value from both rasters to the points attribute table in one click. Finally, I open the attribute table and choose create graph. Here you can choose the graph type and the data layer, which is a sample points in here. Then you can assign the data to your Y and X axis and style it however you want, changing the shape and size of the points. Then we're going to add a function to our plot, which in this case is going to be a linear turn line. You can also edit other visible aspects of your plot. That's it. Now you have your NDVI versus LST scatter plot ready for reports, papers, or further analysis. By right-clicking and pressing export, you can also export your plot in desired formats.